is going to be one of our last videos from this location for a while. And if you notice, if you keep up with the channel, you can tell we haven't been on for a little while. So just wanted to show you around the workshop and show you some of the things we did in the past, and you can go back and look at some of those videos. So you can see the ceiling that we actually did in here. These cabinets were actually the old kitchen cabinets when we renovated the kitchen. You can see the floor has been redone now. All this has been primed and painted. You know, the workbench was built in a previous video. Even the power that was put in here for these receptacles and everything here actually all comes from this switch. So this is the emergency cutoff switch. So if anything ever happens, you can just hit the switch and kill all the receptacles in the room. But you can see since the last update we did that this window has been trimmed out, these windows have been trimmed out, and this one's been trimmed out also. Because on these, what I did was actually essentially I built the box, put the box in, and then fastened in spot. So we did this window, those, and that. One of the other things I did when we were getting this place all cleaned up is I built this door. This is actually old sliding doors that we put together to make one. So what I end up doing is you can see at the top, this part here, actually if I show you the other side, it might be a little easier because I didn't paint this side. So this is how you can see how we constructed it. At the top, up here at the top, I actually have this all set up. So I actually have screwed down. So there's a screw into each one of these, you know, holding this together at the top and down at the bottom and in the middle. And on some of these edges, I also wood glued between them. So that way, everything will be nice and sturdy. And this side, you can see we did get it painted up, but it's just a simple little handle. And the way I have it to latch is I just have a little thing up here just to hold it shut. So that's it for that. And you can tell the workshop is nice and clean. For those that were wondering about this is actually where the air conditioner, or this is where the dehumidifier comes in, and everything drains out here and it can go out from there. All right, and if you watch the other videos, you'll see this is how it's set up. So it goes from the dehumidifier, it's set up, and this basically this plumbing goes right into there and straight to the drain underneath here. So that way it has the trap and everything to keep any vapors from coming out here. So, but that was all set up. This bathroom is all redone. This was in the previous video where we redid this mirror, got everything cleaned up. That's the remote. So if you want to change lights, you can do that. We had the custom trim that kind of looks like blue jean material. Got everything done in here. So you can see this is all pretty well done. Put a mirror to make the space feel even bigger. I actually have an old cabinet here mounted up. So this is another one from the old previous bathroom. And we did this. I actually got this door. It was actually one of the old ones. Cut it down so it fit in here nice and neat. And then spray foam the ceiling, because this room here is technically, it's not even under the house. So this wall right here is the edge of the house. So this is actually out in the front yard, but it's where the well is at. So now this is all done up nicely. Actually has a nice little LED light up here in the corner now. So if you can tell, we've been kind of cleaning things out. And you see there's the UV light from a previous video. That cabinet is staying here. We did get the tarp up here. You know, we got other lights up here also. But just wanted to, you know, give you a last viewing in here. And we're gonna come over here to what was the storage closet project. And you can see right now there's really nothing left in here. So it's pretty much just an empty room, except for what's left of the server rack. So we got that done in here. And you can see when this was done. So that was a couple years ago. And this is the little walk-in way that we kind of redid. We have, you know, these two windows are actually from our previous upstairs windows that were changed out. So, and then there's also video on this, you know, where we got this little space finished up, because this is just like a little mud room, small one. And we come in here. There's a project where we actually did all this, and you can look for the video on that. But you can see we got the whole basement is finished up and complete now, including we even put cabinet doors on here. There's a video for that when we were actually refinishing this. And this is where I first did that finish that was kind of like blue jean material. I did it on here. And we have it on the stairwell too, so you can see the rails. All right, and we have this table was actually done too, but this is actually movable. So it has wheels. It's very heavy oak construction, so we're not doing anything with that. But if you haven't figured it out, this is going to be one of our last videos from here, because we are actually selling this place. Trying to find something a little bit more remote so we can try to get a little bit more rural and do things that we want to do outside and not have to worry about neighbors. So this is going to be one of our last ones from this location. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll try to get some shorts or something out there to keep the channel going. But if you could give us a like and subscribe, it would greatly help us out.